the people on the margins of society. It gave you a voice to be heard, seen, admired, and supported in a very entertaining way. And the winner is... The balance goes to Ivana Alaki.
Maraming salamat po sa FAMAS for this award. Thank you so much. I have been vlogging for almost 7 years and nung una katuwaan siya kasama ang pamilya ko. But then, it grew into something more beautiful. Helping people and inspiring people. I wanted to use my platform to share happiness. Dahil ang daming nangyayari sa mundo natin. And also, to share my blessings. And maraming salamat. Hindi rin to mabubuo without my family, my team, my mom, Mona. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Of course, my brother and sister. And especially Kuya Perry. Kasi siya yung nagtiwala sa akin from before. So thank you so much to my PPL family, my glam team, of course, and Jo Marie, my editing team. Maraming salamat. Napakaliit lang po ng team namin kasi very hands-on talaga ako sa bawat content na nilalabas namin. So, thank you again sa FAMAS. Maraming salamat po.